In this video, you will learn how to earn over $400 essentially an hour by just creating memes. Yes, it's a very simple make money online method, but first I want to show you that I've personally made a lot of money in crypto in the last month. If you go on my Kraken account right here, which is a Bitcoin exchange where you can sell Bitcoin for dollars, euros or whatever, you can say that last month I haven't deposited anything, but I've withdrawn $6K, 6.3K, right? If you go down, I'll refresh it so you don't think it's fake or anything. You can see I've withdrawn 800 euros, 800, 1000 euros, 1.2K. It's all during the last month. I can go and you can see in August I managed to withdraw even more, but I'll show you what the website is to sell your meme, how you can make the memes, the whole process if you do not skip any step of the video. If you skip a step, you miss out on withdrawing, you miss out on how to create the memes, you miss out on how to actually sell them. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. If you're new, you gotta know that me and my team, we upload over 3 videos every single day for your value. We don't want to show you 20-30 minute videos. We want to show you simple short videos to show you the value, and you can decide whether or not you want to use a platform within the first few minutes of the video. This video, you like it, so subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this one, and like this video for the YouTube algorithm. And also comment down where you're watching this video from, what country are you from, because I'm really curious to know. Also, I'll shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool down below, or your Instagram username, TikTok username. Just comment it, I'll take it, I'll put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, so you already know there's ways to make money online, and you can see that with this method you can actually earn cryptocurrency by selling memes. On this website, memefactory.io, you can see memes like this one is actually selling for 1 Ethereum. Right now, 1 Ethereum costs $443. It's going up lately. You can see other memes are selling for 0.2 Ethereum, so that's $88, but it's a lot. It's actually a lot of money. 50 Ethereum for this, 50. This is sold for 50 Ethereum. Can you believe that? 22 grand? Would you pay for this meme? I don't know, but people are paying for it, and this is a real legitimate way to make money online. It's called Meme Factory. It's decentralized registry and marketplace for the creation, exchange and collection of probably rare digital assets. How can you create all these memes? Well, you can actually create them by using a website called capwing.com. You have the meme templates with the text, or you can also use image film. You can click this website, you can have text 1, me, or memes, college, me, and then you're watching memes instead of going to college or something like this. You can generate this meme, upload it, and start earning money online. If you want to sell it, you can use Kraken, Coinbase, or whatever platform. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. This is no financial or medical advice. Results can vary. Do your own due diligence. This is a short tutorial, no BS. So if you want to see more like it, click this video or this video. I personally would click this one. See you next one. Bye.